Welcome to my channel NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate lens into the world of technology, bringing you the latest updates, groundbreaking innovations, and future-shaping trends. From cool gadgets to tech insights, we've got it all. Let's tech it up and explore the future together.
The world of technology is constantly changing. Every day, new advancements are made that push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. From the early days of computing to the modern era of artificial intelligence, the pace of innovation has been nothing short of breathtaking. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most exciting and rapidly developing areas. It has the potential to revolutionize countless industries, from healthcare to finance, and even the way we interact with our devices on a daily basis. AI is not just a buzzword. It represents a fundamental shift in how we approach problem solving and automation. AI is changing many industries, including how we write computer programs. Traditional coding methods are being enhanced by AI-driven tools that can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and even predict potential issues before they arise. This is transforming the role of the programmer, making it more dynamic and efficient. AI coding assistants, like helpful companions, are emerging to help programmers write better code faster. These tools can suggest code snippets, automate repetitive tasks, and even debug code in real time. They act as an extra pair of eyes, catching errors that might otherwise go unnoticed. These AI tools are becoming increasingly popular. More and more developers are integrating them into their workflows, finding that they can significantly boost productivity and reduce the time spent on mundane tasks. The adoption of AI coding assistants is not just a trend, it's becoming a standard practice in the industry. They offer many benefits, such as automating repetitive tasks and suggesting code snippets. This allows developers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their projects. By handling the grunt work, AI coding assistants free up valuable time and mental energy for innovation and problem solving. This new technology is also raising questions about the future of programming. As AI tools become more advanced, some wonder what this means for the role of human programmers. Will AI eventually take over completely, or will there always be a need for human creativity and intuition in coding? Some people wonder if AI will eventually replace human programmers altogether. While it's a valid concern, it's important to remember that AI is designed to assist, not replace. The human touch is still crucial in many aspects of programming, from understanding user needs to designing intuitive interfaces. However, it is crucial to remember that AI coding assistants are tools designed to assist and enhance, not to replace, the creativity and problem-solving skills of human developers. They are there to augment our capabilities, allowing us to achieve more than we could on our own. This essay will explore the evolution of AI coding assistants, compare their capabilities with human programmers, and discuss the future of programming in an AI-driven world. We will look at how these tools have developed over time and what the next steps might be in their evolution. We will delve into real-world examples of these tools in action, showcasing both their strengths and limitations. By examining case studies and user experiences, we can gain a better understanding of how AI coding assistants are being used today and what potential they hold for the future. Finally, we will provide practical advice for developers to thrive in this exciting new era of AI-assisted programming. From learning how to effectively integrate these tools into your workflow to staying updated with the latest advancements, there are many ways to stay ahead of the curve. The rise of AI coding assistants signifies a significant shift in software development. This is not just a fleeting trend, but a fundamental change in how we approach coding and software engineering. As these tools become more sophisticated, they will continue to reshape the programming landscape. As these tools become more sophisticated, they will continue to reshape the programming landscape, creating new opportunities and challenges for developers worldwide. The future of programming is bright, and those who embrace these changes will find themselves at the forefront of innovation. By understanding the potential of AI coding assistants and adapting to this evolving landscape, programmers can harness the power of AI to enhance their skills and remain at the forefront of innovation. The journey of AI in coding is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. To truly appreciate the impact of AI coding assistants, we must first take a journey through the history of programming tools. The story of programming is a fascinating one, filled with innovation, challenges, and remarkable achievements. It all began in the early days of computing, where the tools and methods were rudimentary but groundbreaking for their time. In the early days of computing, programmers wrote code using punch cards. These cards, filled with tiny holes, represented the earliest form of digital instructions. Each card had to be meticulously prepared, and a single mistake could mean starting over. These cards were tedious and time-consuming to use. Programmers often faced frustration as they dealt with stacks of punch cards, each representing a line of code. The process was slow, error-prone, and required immense patience and precision. The evolution of programming languages from low-level assembly languages to higher-level languages like C++ and Java significantly improved programming efficiency. These new languages allowed programmers to write more complex and powerful code with greater ease, reducing the time and effort required to develop software. Integrated Development Environments, or IDEs, emerged as another game-changer for programmers. These environments provided a suite of tools that made coding more intuitive and efficient. With features like syntax highlighting, code completion, and debugging tools, IDEs transformed the way programmers wrote and tested their code. IDEs provided a comprehensive set of tools for writing, debugging, and testing code, further streamlining the development process. They allowed programmers to catch errors early, test their code in real time, and manage large projects with ease. These advancements paved the way for the emergence of AI-powered coding assistants. These intelligent tools leverage machine learning to assist programmers in writing, debugging, and optimizing code. They can suggest improvements, identify potential issues, and even generate code snippets based on the programmer's intent. AI coding assistants represent a natural progression in this ongoing evolution, leveraging the power of machine learning to take developer productivity to unprecedented levels. By understanding the context and intent behind the code, these assistants can provide valuable insights and recommendations, making the coding process faster and more efficient. The journey from punch cards to AI-powered coding assistants is a testament to the continuous pursuit of innovation in the programming world. Each step forward has built upon the lessons and technologies of the past, leading to more sophisticated and powerful tools. Each advancement has built upon the previous one, making programming more efficient, accessible, and powerful. From the early days of punch cards to the sophisticated AI tools of today, the evolution of programming tools has been driven by the need to solve complex problems and create innovative solutions. As AI continues to evolve, we can only imagine the incredible tools and technologies that will shape the future of programming. The possibilities are endless, and the journey of innovation is far from over. The future holds exciting prospects for programmers, as new advancements will continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in the world of coding. AI coding assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They can generate code, identify errors, and even suggest improvements. This begs the question, how do these AI tools stack up against their human counterparts? Humans and AI possess distinct strengths and weaknesses in the realm of programming. Humans excel at abstract thinking, creative problem-solving, and understanding the nuances of human language. They can grasp complex concepts, design elegant solutions, and write code that is both efficient and maintainable. AI coding assistants, on the other hand, shine in their ability to process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and automate repetitive tasks. They can quickly generate code snippets, detect syntax errors, and suggest code completions, freeing up human programmers to focus on more high-level tasks. However, AI coding assistants still fall short in several key areas. They lack the creativity and intuition of human programmers. They also struggle to understand the context and intent behind code, often generating code that is technically correct but not aligned with the programmer's intentions. Section 4. Real-World AI Copilot, Devin AI, and GPT-4 in action. In this section, we will delve into the practical applications of these advanced AI tools and how they are revolutionizing the coding landscape. To truly understand the capabilities and limitations of AI coding assistants, let's examine some real-world examples. These tools are not just theoretical concepts. They are actively being used by developers around the globe to enhance productivity and streamline coding processes. GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI's GPT-3, is a popular AI coding assistant that has taken the programming world by storm. It integrates seamlessly with various development environments, providing real-time code suggestions and automating repetitive tasks. Copilot can generate entire functions, write documentation, and even suggest alternative ways to solve a problem. This not only speeds up the development process, but also helps in learning new coding techniques and best practices. Devin AI is another powerful tool that excels at natural language processing. It leverages advanced algorithms to understand and interpret human language, making it easier for developers to interact with their code bases. It allows developers to write code using plain English, making programming more accessible to non-programmers. This democratization of coding can lead to more diverse contributions and innovative solutions in the tech industry. GPT-4, the latest iteration of OpenAI's language model, takes AI coding assistance to new heights. Its enhanced capabilities include better context understanding, more accurate code generation, and the ability to handle more complex programming tasks. Its advanced language understanding and code generation abilities enable it to tackle even more complex programming tasks. This makes it an invaluable tool for developers working on sophisticated projects that require high levels of precision and efficiency. While these AI tools are incredibly powerful, they are not without their flaws. Developers often encounter situations where the AI generates incorrect or suboptimal code, leading to frustration and additional debugging efforts. They can sometimes generate incorrect or inefficient code. This highlights the importance of human oversight and the need for developers to thoroughly review and test AI-generated code. It's important to remember that AI coding assistants are still under development. They are continuously being updated and improved to address their current limitations and enhance their capabilities. They are constantly learning and improving. As these tools gather more data and receive more user feedback, their performance and reliability will continue to grow. As these tools evolve, they will become even more powerful and versatile. The future of AI in coding is bright, promising to bring about more efficient, innovative, and accessible programming solutions for everyone. Section 5. The future of programming: collaboration, not replacement. The rapid advancement of AI coding assistants has sparked a debate about the future of programming. Some fear that AI will eventually replace human programmers altogether. However, this fear is unfounded. AI coding assistants are not meant to replace human programmers, but to augment their abilities and transform the way we approach software development. The future of programming lies in collaboration between humans and AI. By working together, they can leverage their respective strengths to create better software faster. Imagine a world where AI takes care of the tedious and repetitive aspects of coding. This frees up human programmers to focus on creative problem-solving, innovation, and crafting elegant solutions. This collaborative future is not a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. As AI coding assistants become more sophisticated, they will seamlessly integrate into the programmer's workflow. They will become trusted allies, helping us push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of software development.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.